I do believe that you guys are actually already holding the knowledge, the framework, the skills, the values, and the attitudes to shift this continent beyond expectation. I believe that. And do you know why? And Eric is going to tell you why me and Eric believe that. Why? Why do you believe that, Eric?
I so believe that Africa needs courage.
Courage.
To make serious decisions about our future.
I'm getting goosebumps.
I also believe that I personally need courage to change many things that I see around me. And my entire life is defined by courage. So I so believe that nearly every challenge we have is literally because we don't even have the courage to confront them. So mine is courage.
Wow.